This video will be the first in a series I'm planning on doing to provide viewers with product information. This is something that has been requested for quite some time, probably since the day I started my channel. So let's go ahead with the first one, and that will be to provide you with a variety of different adhesives you might be able to use when attaching wood to wood in the situation where you have a tread connecting to a stringer. Or if you have a situation where you have a wood finished tread, like an oak tread, that needs to attach to plywood or OSB. And the first thing I need to point out is that if you are dealing with lumber that is going to shrink or expand and contract, like most construction standard lumber, plywood and OSB might not fall into this category or might not expand and contract as much as construction standard lumber. I've seen 2x12s shrink from 11.5 inches to 11 1/8 inches. And if you're using 2x12 for your stair stringers, which is probably the most common lumber used, you could end up with a gap between the tread and the stringer. And if you're using glue, you're using an adhesive that is not flexible or allows for movement, then it will actually separate and either stick to the stringer or the tread, providing you with a gap between either the adhesive and the tread or the adhesive and the stringer. Because as the stringer contracts or shrinks, it's going to pull away from the tread. So again, if you're using construction adhesive that is not elastic or flexible, then there's a good chance you're going to end up with your stairs squeaking. So what I would recommend would be to find a product with polyurethane in it. Now, I could swear that I used to use a product with polybutylene in it. However, since I couldn't find any products with polybutylene in it, then I have to figure out that I probably made a mistake and that it was actually polyurethane that I was referring to. Now, what I used to use was a window and door sealant, and they do not sell this product anymore. And it worked great. We used to use it on all of our floors and our stairs. And since that product is no longer available, I will not be able to provide you with its product information. However, I will list a few products in the video description area or in the comment area, along with a little more product information when it becomes available. So make sure that you check out our video description area if you're looking for more information about adhesives that will reduce stair squeaking that should work for your project.